Hey everyone, welcome back. In this SQL tutorial, we are going to learn about the SQL like operator. So SQL like operator is also very simple and easy to use, and many times you will be using like operator to fetch the rows or the records that match a certain specific criteria that you specify using the like operator. So what exactly is the like operator? So like operator is used with the where clause to specify a search of a specific pattern, right? So in a string, you can specify a particular pattern with the like operator, and then you can use certain wildcards which we will discuss. So a string pattern contains wildcards which represents the missing character. So these wildcards that you will use with the like operator will be representing the missing characters that you can find out. Now many times you won't know the exact string that you want to look for, right? So in those sort of cases, say for example you are fetching the transactions database and you are looking for a particular sort of a merchant name which has, you know that the merchant name starts with some characters. So you can specify the like operator. You can use the like operator and specify that merchant name initial couple of characters, and then put the wildcards to fetch the detailed information or the rows for those transactions. So that's where like operator will be really helpful to fetch those sort of records. Now in terms of wildcard, you have this percentage and underscore which are often used in conjunction. So percentage sign represents the 0, 1 or multiple characters. If you say, for example, you say a percentage, then it means that any string that starts with a followed by any number of characters, right? And then underscore represents only the single character. So example wise, it's the statement is absolutely simple and similar. So select start from customer, and you are using like with the where clause. So where customer name like, and then you specify the customer name, right? So let's go to the workbench and quickly understand the like operator. So say for example, normally let me fetch all the values. So select star from customer and all the records in this customer table. So these are all the records. Now say for example, I am looking for the customer names which start with J or R or some string that I am aware of. Okay. So what I can do is I can, along with this particular query, I can say use the where clause, right? And then say cust name like, okay, and now I can specify the wildcards for which I'm looking for. So say for example, I'm looking for the customer name which starts with R, okay? So I can say R, and then if any customer name which starts with R and I put the percentage sign there, then that means it will fetch me all the records or all the rows which have the customer name that start with R followed by any number of characters there, okay? Because the percentage represents single, multiple or a number of characters. So if I run this query now, you will see that it has fetched me this particular record Ramakrishna, because I think there is just one record which starts with name R, right? So the rest is all. So let's say I want to fetch something with N, okay? Because N, we know that there are two values there, two rows there. So if I change it to N, then you will see two of the rows. So 7 and 11 have been fetched, okay? So this is what the percentage will do, the wildcard percentage will do. Now we have the another wildcard which is underscore. So underscore represents a single character, okay? So say for example, if I say I want to fetch the customer name or all the rows where the customer name is like or starts with A and then is of followed by just one character. So something like A and one character. So if I do something like this, then there are no matching rows. Why is that case? Because this represents just a single character and there is no data in this particular customer table which is of, or no customer name in this table which is having just one character or basically two character name there. Okay, so because this underscore represents just one more character, so it could be anything in this place, but it should be not more than two characters. So if I add another underscore there, so now this is 3 character name, another character, right? So 3 underscores and 4 underscores. Okay, so basically A followed by the 4 characters. That's what I'm saying here in this case. So let's see if there is anything that is being fetched. Yes. So in this case, you can see that the customer name Ali K has been displayed because A followed by how many times? 4 underscores. That means 4 characters. So basically LI, and then this space is also recognized as one of the characters there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have specified something in the customer name which starts with just A followed by the 4 characters. That's what it will be fetching. Now let's understand some of the more examples here. So say for example, I want to fetch all the names or basically all the records in this customer table wherein the name starts with A and ends with K, right? So I can put something like this. So in this case as well, the same name will be fetched because it's starting as A, and then percentage means any number of characters between A and K, and it will fetch me the exact same results. It will fetch me those names. Okay, let me get another records as well. So here you can see that it has fetched me all the records. It is fetching everything, but if I run this query, it will only fetch me the records which are starting with A and ending with K. Okay, if I just say I want all the records or all the rows which have the name, customer name, which is ending with K, so I can say percentage K, and it will fetch me all the records in that case wherein the names are ending with the character K, right? So you'll see percentage K is another option that you can use to fetch the record which are ending with certain characters, right? So if you want to see that, I want to make sure that the names are basically, for example, let me take another example. So this is starting and ending and anything in between. Now say for example, I am looking for 3 character names. Okay, so I can simply say 3 characters, right? So underscore and then followed by say, or just say 2 characters and then followed by M and anything after that. Okay, so let's see what will be the result in this particular case. Okay, so you'll see that it is basically fetching the 2 characters there, right? So 2 characters followed by the 3rd character, which is M in this case. So it has fetched the first record, which is Rama Krishna, and then Sampi, right? So the reason here is that in the first 2 places, anything will be matched, any characters will be matched, right? Followed by the 3rd character, which is M. So with this particular criteria, only these 2 records match because the first 2 characters are A and SA, can be anything. And then at the 3rd place, I'm looking for a specific character M followed by anything, right? So this is basically how we can mix and match and use the wildcards as required to fetch the data accordingly, right? So you can play around with these wildcards and with the like operator to fetch these records and practice so that you are getting familiar how you are going to use like in the real scenarios. So basically there will be many scenarios when you are doing the testing, you will be using these sort of queries to fetch the data as expected and for the testing and reporting purposes for your projects. So that's all for the like operator in SQL. I hope it was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.